Good morning, guys. Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. We are going to do a VRA Verasity update. It's been a little while since I've done a video update on VRA. I do update VRA daily in my premium Discord. So if you want to get daily updates on VRA from me, then feel free to check out my Discord links below. All right. Other than that, let's just hop straight into VRA here. Let's start off on the higher time frame on the macro, and then we'll dive into the lower time frame and get an idea of what we can expect or what I anticipate happening to finish off this two-wave structure that we have been working on now for quite some time. So I believe what we've got is a potential impulsive one-wave structure off of the low back when this thing launched in March of 2020. This could also be an A wave, and then you'd be working on a B and then working on your possible C wave up from there. So it's a one wave or an A wave, and then I believe we have bottomed in a 2 or a B and are currently working on some sort of an impulsive structure upwards. Where that takes us to, I believe, ultimately, I'm targeting anywhere from 80 cents to $1 at minimum. I say that at minimum kind of loosely. Obviously, things can change, and if this structure ends up breaking down, then that analysis and that target completely goes out the window. So, but as long as this structure can hold and we can keep this bullish structure, then I'm looking at 82 cents to $1. So keep that in mind. That doesn't mean it's a guarantee, doesn't mean we get there. It's just my current primary analysis based on the structure that we have intact currently. So zooming in just a little bit here, I believe we've got, and I'll get into the micro here in just a second so you guys can see how I've got this labeled. But as of right now, I believe we do have a one wave structure up, and we are working on a 2 being an A, B, and then possibly a C down. And then we will impulsively bottom, in my opinion, somewhere. I'm currently targeting around low 003-ish or so, 003.5. Somewhere around there is currently where I'm targeting. And then from there, we'll impulsively break into our 3-wave. Right now, VRA, certainly from a technical standpoint, has retraced low enough in order to be considered a 2-wave. We have bounced off of our 618 retracement of our wave 1, which is an ideal spot for a 2-wave to bottom. Usually 50% to 61.8% is an ideal typical 2-wave retracement, and Elliott wave, which happens to be in this zone here, which we are currently bouncing off of. But the structure, this ABC, is actually begging and calling for a leg lower. Does not mean we have to get there, doesn't mean we have to get that leg lower, but that's currently what this is showing. So an A, B, C structure, typically the C wave goes to this 1.0 to 1236 fib extension of our A and B wave, which would take us to, low 0033-ish. I do not think that we get down this low here at the 1236 fib extension, which would be 0027. I just don't see that as happening, but of course it is possible. My current target is, like I said, around 003.5 or so. But as always, like I said, this thing could be bottomed and could be working on an impulse upwards now. For me, in my trading style, this is a swing trade for me. So dollar cost averaging in this zone down here is my best idea for me personally. I'm not a financial advisor. So this is not financial advice, and I do not suggest anybody to start to buy in here just because I said that. But that's my current strategy, is that this is a swing trade, and I will average in as this thing is in this zone here. And I'm saving a decent portion of my allocation to this trade for lower 003-ish or so. But if we don't get it, then I will wait for an impulse up and buy in a two-wave. So let's hop into the weeds here. Give an idea of what I think is going on. So I believe we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again, which is an impulse off of the low, which is indicating a potential trend reversal from our December low down here. And I believe we've got this 5-wave A like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to put in an A, then a 3-wave A, B, C to put in a B, and then potentially working on a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one more 5 down before becoming impulsive upwards. That's my current projection as to what we can expect. But let's see here. As of right now, we have been rejected at the 50% retracement of this wave 2, which would make sense because we did have a shallow, we actually had a truncated fifth here. This is, to me, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 with a truncated fifth, and then in some sort of ABC for a 2. And that was a shallow 2-wave, which only retraced 382% of our leg down. So you can anticipate from there having a deeper 4-wave, which I believe is what we have here, which wicked and got rejected at our 50% retracement of our wave 2 down. And then I anticipate from here sorry guys, hold on one second. I anticipate from here us becoming impulsive in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave structure, taking us down to low 003-ish, mid 003-ish or so. That's ultimately what I am assuming we get as of right now. If we do break back above this high here around 553 or so, 0053, then it's possible that we do have an immediate bullish structure working, which could be this, 1, 2, 3, a 4, and then if we broke back up, that could put in a possible 5-wave structure. So if we do break back above this, I would look for the possibilities of this being a 5-wave, and then we would want to see a 3-wave hold, and then an impulse break back above the top of that 5 there. That would indicate to me that we did bottom here, and this is the bottom, and we're ready for our 3-wave if we get some sort of price action like that. So that would be the alternative bullish scenario to watch out for and to pay attention to. So other than that, guys, until that happens, until we break back above this 0053 area, I'm going to assume that we're working on an impulse down, and we are heading down to, mid 003-ish, 0035 or, whatever, somewhere down in that zone. So let's, I'll keep this updated, and we'll go from there. See y'all later.